Hello everybody. Everyone should have their own hobby, and so do I. I really love to sing karaoke with my friend. When you are singing in a karaoke bar, they will use their own software that provides songs with scoring lyrics, like the red picture to make it easy for us to sing along with the music. Thankfully, even if you are singing for another song, they still write it in English to make it easy to follow up. Not only in karaoke bar, but I also love to sing at my home too. In my home, I will try to search karaoke song on YouTube and sing along. If the song is popular, it is possible to find the karaoke version in English. The problem is, when the song is quite niche, they will be like this. The karaoke will be in their language, which is not possible for me at least to sing along, because I'm unable to speak Japanese. Not only Japanese song, but other international songs also use their own language for the karaoke part, which is hard for foreigners to sing along with that song. Normally, if we struggle in this problem, we can try to open the instrumental background on one tab, and another tab will open the lyric in English type. But without this sliding text in karaoke, it will become a lot more complicated to sing along, because without any guidance from sliding text, you will lose your tempo really easily and confuse which part is the music currently playing right now. That leads to the point that when people want to sing a popular song and there is no karaoke English version, people are unable to sing it. When they try to sing the open lyric by on another tab, there are no scrolling text following the rhythm, which is still quite hard to follow up. We still not even consider the case when the song is not popular enough to not even have the instrumental version. For the current solution outside of open lyric in new tab, you can fix the problem when there are non-instrumental version of the song by using Karaoke Converter. Karaoke Converter basically change your song from file or YouTube link by separating background music from vocal and export it into MP3 or MP4. I mean, it's able to fix some of the problem, but it's still unable to fix synchronization lyric problem as I mentioned earlier. So that's why I and my team come up with a new solution. KaraoSync platform to convert your favorite music into karaoke version and also provide scoring lyrics. Not only it can separate vocal from the background music like other platform, it also able to create lyrics and synchronize timing with it too by only pasting your favorite music from YouTube link or upload video file and play on our platform. For the prototype of our product, at the home page, you can click Start Syncing or arrow down button to open the karaoke interface for syncing. Then you can import the music from YouTube link or music file like MP3 or MP4 in your own directory. In this case, I will show you the YouTube link one. After you click Search, KaraoSync will convert that music with only background music on left side and create lyric in English transliteration on the right side. Then when you're playing the video, scoring lyric will synchronize and mapping depend on the current time of the music. For the technical part, we need to use audio segmentation for separate vocal, transliteration with speech to text, and dynamic time wrapping for synchronization. For the first task, audio segmentation, we use UNet and CNN to separate vocal and instrument for a mixed audio track. The process starts with converting the audio into a spectrogram using the short-time Fourier transform or SCFT. During inference, the trained model takes a spectrogram and output spread spectrogram for each source, which are then converted back to audio using the inverse STFT. To make it simple, as you can see from the picture that we can chunk audio for each segment and reconstruct it by using inverse STFT to get the vocal and instrument separately. The next one, transliteration. Transliteration is the one that we use to convert international lyrics into English type lyrics. Transliteration in the Google Input API let users type in their native script and it automatically converts them to another script. For example, if you type Namaste in Latin letter, the API can change it to the word in Devanagari for Hindi. This tool helps people type in different languages using familiar sound, make it easier to write in language with complex script. But for our KaraoSync, we need to do it reversely and use speech to text to change our text vocal into transliteration lyrics. For the last, we need to use dynamic time wrapping or DTW. We will use DTW for synchronized scoring lyrics by map all chunks from audio segment part in the vocal and map with the lyrics. DTW is an Align algorithm used to measure the similarity between two temporal sequences that may vary in speed. For simply, it will help us map the voice from vocal into lyric that we got from transliteration. For our text stack, we will use React and Java for front-end. Then we will use Fast API for API framework and PostgreSQL as our database for user in platform. The model that I mentioned, we will use Splitter library for audio segmentation, Google API input tools with speech recognition library for transliteration, and Fast DTW for using DTW align algorithm. For development tools, I will use GitHub for Git repository collaboration and Vercel for deploy our platform. For the revenue model, we plan income in two ways. The first way will sell as a platform product in business to business way by selling it with karaoke bar that went to have our platform for karaoke. We will sell it as a subscription for around $500 per year. For the second way, we will get revenue from advertisement online. For the overall cost estimation, in the first year, year zero, the total cost is expected to be $130,000. This includes salary for two developers at $50,000 per year. Then we also include $3,000 for software and tools, $7,000 for marketing and launch, and another $3,000 for other expense. From year 1 to year 5 also remain the same. All cost, revenue, and profit loss expectation that we estimate for our product in 5 years. We forecast that we are able to get profit for our product on year 3, and for year 5, we will get profit at $72,000. For our list of tasks, we spread it into 3 types: management, research and design, and development. I will be the one who did the tasks that had the red sticker on the corner of the task on this one. And my friend who is in Japanese university will be the one who did the task that have green color. You can see all the details of the task in the description below. But for easy to comprehend timeline, right now we already set up objective and design a prototype. Next step include developing core feature and also lyric generation and surrounding tech development, testing, optimizing, and launching by March next year. This is my team. We both passionate and want to create a world where people can enjoy singing any song around the world and letting them feel the convenience of synchronized singing. Help us, support us, and sing your voice with our slide KaraoSync. Thank you.